అయిపోయింది. మీరెక్కడ వాళ్ళు లోకలా? ఓకేనా? గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్. నేమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయా? ఇక్కడ వస్తున్నాయి. Tanishka, good afternoon. In my way of teaching, if you have any doubts, you send through message. I can read on screen. Okay, students? Okay, right. Yesterday, I discussed 3 questions, how to solve answers for those 3 questions. And simultaneously, one topic I started. Today, I want to conclude the topic, students. You try to write. Once again, as I told yesterday, when you join in offline, again, these topics will be repeated again in the class. So you start writing, better to write topics also. And simply only along with listening, you better to write, right? The same topic I am writing, which I started yesterday. Chemical bonding and molecular structure. Here, octet rule we can take. Because in 2021, we have seen one question based on octet rule. Yesterday I discussed. So once again, I want to clearly explain the topic today, right? So once again, I am writing that here getting of 8 electrons in outermost shell by sharing or transferring of electrons called as octet rule. Octa means 8. So getting of 8 electrons in the outermost shell. How that process should be done means either by sharing or transferring of electron. And now here 8 electrons, simply to remember, it is octet rule. More than 8 electrons, positive deviation. Less than 8 electrons, negative deviation we can take. So suppose if it has only 8 electrons, we can say that molecule can obey octet rule. If more than 8 electrons are present, that can show the positive deviation. If less than 8 electrons are present, then that can show negative deviation. Here, some examples we can write are here water, methane, CCl4, etc. Here positive deviation, we can take example PCl5, ClF3, SF6, etc. we can take. Negative deviation, we can take example BF3, ALF3, and here BCl3, like that we can take, right? So getting of 8 electrons is called as octet rule. Suppose the valence shell itself contains 8 electrons in the outermost shell, valence shell, that is the octet rule. So here more than 8 electrons means positive deviation. Less than 8 electrons means we can take it as negative deviation. Yeah, these are examples, but no need to learn by heart these examples in entrance because there is some hint or technique. So if you remember that, you can easily identify whether the given molecule is accepting octet rule or deviating from octet rule. Just write this, students. You try to write that. So in this, you may not get any doubt, students, because basic concept. That's why we started chemical bonding. It is easy to start because if any students join even in the offline classes, after coming back, it cannot become any problem. That's why I started simplest topic first, chemical bonding. And it is easy simultaneously many questions, 2 to 3 questions are being asked from the chemical bonding. You write it, you write it. Eight electrons means octet rule. More than 8 electrons means positive deviation. Less than 8 electrons means negative deviation. Less than 8 electrons, negative deviation. These are the examples. Right. A few questions we can discuss now. Try to write that. If you see this year paper, that priority given to conceptual learning. You might have seen, now you might have understood after appearing entrance examination, conceptual learning more priority given. So this year we are stressing these points as well as solving the problems. Coming to the organic chemistry interconversions, reactants, reagent, product. Which reagent is responsible for which reaction? And intermediates and all those. That's why each and every point, so you try to concentrate and work hard, put into practice. These 9 months, 10 months coaching definitely can give you the what success if you learn it a proper way and if you practice daily. Practicing subject, even if you know octet rule, everybody knows. Even if you know that, you put into practice. So that is very, very important. Right question. Here now, which of the following obeys octet rule? Which of the following obeys octet rule? Write that. Simply same examples I am giving. Ammonia, methane, here all. Based on yesterday's, because the priority given in 2021 paper based on dipole moment, hybridization, and octet rule. That's why some concept related to these we can discuss first. Okay, students? Right. Answer is all. How did I write? Here you remember group number plus number of hydrogen atom plus number of halogen atom plus double the number of oxygen atoms. Number of hydrogen, number of halogen, double the number of oxygen atoms. See now, Central atom you take. This is the central atom. Here group number 6, group number 5, here group number 4. I am writing here H2O, NH3, methane. These are the central atoms. Here 6, H2O, oxygen is 6 plus 2, 8. Here 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Here what is the answer, students? Now all. Here what about this point means you take carbon dioxide. Whether carbon dioxide is obeying octet rule or not. To know that, you depend on it, right? Suppose if you take the group number, here 4, I am writing 4. Upon doubling the oxygen atoms, it becomes 4, 8. So it also obey octet rule. No need to write the Lewis dot formula because it is time consuming. Even suppose if you want to write Lewis dot formula, methane, suppose if you take carbon 4 valence electrons, hydrogen 4 valence, 4 hydrogen atoms, totally 4 hydrogen valence electrons. Here we can take it as like this. Here this is the Lewis dot formula or structure of methane. Here how many here? 4 into 2 electrons, totally 8. It obeys. So why there is a need to draw the structure? It is time consuming. That's why you depend on logic. Group number plus number of hydrogen, group number plus number of halogen, group number plus double the number of oxygen atoms. Double the number of oxygen atoms. Write this. Don't think that I know this like that, students, because suppose if you get 400 plus something that marks now, you target 650 plus, right? So it is possible. It is possible to get more marks. Many techniques are there in chemistry. So I teach you all those. But beginning classes, no, some fundamentals are related to the questions given in 2021 paper, right? You might have written this. One more question, second question I am giving. Second, you write, same, which of the following obeys octet rule? ClF3, PCl5, SF6, none. ClF3, PCl5, SF6 and none. What is the answer? Send message. Vaishnavi, Tanishka and some students are there. Very good, Aravind. Very good. Good students. Aravind, you are right. None is the answer. Here, how central atom you locate first? Okay. So here 7th group, here 5th group, here 6th group. 7 plus 3 fluorine atoms 10, 5 plus 5, 10, 6 plus 6, 12. So all these are showing, Aravind, you are right. Positive deviation. Still anybody? Okay, very good, very good. So Chaitanya, you are right. Vaishnavi, right. Monica, right. Okay, you are responding good. Satvik, you are right. Not D, Satvik. I wrote numbers. Okay, right numbers. Here I wrote 4, you wrote D, you sent D. 4. Satvik, you are right. One more you write. Now, which of the following, same question, obeys octet rule? In a different way also it is given. Carbonate ion. sulfate ion, phosphate ion. Here also none. Carbonate, sulfate, phosphate, none. The hint I will give you, tell you students. Here, hint is okay. Sigma plus pi bonds into 2. Sigma plus pi bonds into 2. Chaitanya tell, Satvik, Monica, Vaishnavi, another Chaitanya, Aravind. Sigma and pi bonds. Sigma and pi bonds. One hint here also I will tell you. Here you take like this. You write it. Sigma equal to number of oxygen R, number of hydrogen R, number of halogen atom. Number of halogen atom in charged species. Charged species, pi bonds equal to number of oxygen atom minus only number indicating charge. Number indicating charge. I think it is visible to you. You see, one example I will tell you here. Carbonate is there. How many sigma equal to 4? Sorry, 3. Because it has 3 oxygen atom. Totally I wrote. Pi equal to number of oxygen atoms 3 minus only number indicating charge 2, 1. Totally 4 bonds into 2, 8. It obeys octet rule. Right? You might have understood, students. Sigma equal to number of oxygen atom or number of hydrogen atom or number of halogen atoms. X is nothing but what? Halogen atom. In charged species, because why I wrote like that means once you concentrate it, maybe there is sulfur trioxide and sulfate ion. Here sigma same condition. Here sigma equal to number of oxygen atoms. Here also sigma equal to number of oxygen atoms. For the pi bond concept here we can take, but here sigma equal to pi equal to number of oxygen atoms. So thus it becomes 3 sigma, 3 pi bonds. 3 sigma and 3 pi bonds. But here what? 4 sigma bonds, 4 minus 2, 2 pi bonds. 4 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. That's why here I specifically mentioned charged species. Charged species. In charged species, number of oxygen atoms, or you think like the 3 minus 2. For example, sulfate is there. Can anybody tell now? Can it obey octet rule or not? Aravind, can it obey octet rule or not? Tanishka, respond. Aravind, respond. Respond, Aravind. Aravind, no. Very good. Aravind, no. Because can you tell why no? 4 sigma. See, remember, remaining you try to observe it. 4 minus 2 equal to 2 pi bonds. Totally how many bonds? 6 bonds. 6 bond means into 2, 12 electrons. So sulfate ion is positive deviation. The positive deviation species, that also you write. Positive deviation species are known as hypervalent species. Sometimes this also given. Hypervalent species. Hypervalent species. Hypervalent species. Okay, based on this one you write. Which of the following is hypervalent? I don't have answer. You have to tell this. Here, BH4, BH4, BF3, another one. Here, I am going to give phosphate ion. Only you see the option, students. BH4 minus, and another one, CH3 plus. Right? Apply your knowledge, students. Remaining also you have to tell, right? Which of these can obey octet rule and shows negative deviation and hypervalent. I asked hypervalent. Okay, I am writing this 1, 2, 3, and 4. About them you write. Arvind, Monica, everyone, Monica, Chaitanya, everyone. Hypervalent. Hypervalent means more than 8 electrons. More than 8 electrons in their valence shell. More than 8. You think over that. You see. Till you try, I am getting your message on screen. I will read. Monica, she sent second option. Second option. Okay, right, Monica. Right, you are right. Chaitanya, right. You are right. Still, Tanishka, you are right. Right, Tanishka. It is a hypervalent. Okay, right, right, students. You are right. Very good. Same easiness you try to get in all chapters by practicing as many questions with some hints. There are some hints also that you will be taught in the class or as well as in what online class also same. You are responding very good. What about these, Kanishka? What about BF3, BH4 minus, CH3 plus? Arvind, can anybody respond among these? Which is accepting octet rule? Here, among those species accepting octet rule, what is it? Among those species accepting octet rule, fast is and answer. Arvind, CH3 plus, what is that, Arvind? Okay, you sent answer. Accepting or does not accept or. I will tell that now. Aravinda responded immediately. He sent it as CH3 plus. Chaitanya, third option, very good. Chaitanya, answer is correct. How, Chaitanya, how did you calculate? Send message? You better to send message. I will read that message here. Okay. Three option, your answer is correct. Arvind, once again try. Once again try, we see now. Why Chaitanya answer I am telling correct. Your answer is negative deviation. We see now. See, same technique you apply. BF3, first identify group number. Phosphate, you did know, all of you have sent hypervalent. It is hypervalent, students. And BH4 minus, I am writing. Here, I think it is visible to you. Here also third group. And Aravind, first I am going to clarify your answer. Carbon, fourth group, right? See, all of you concentrate it. Fourth group plus 3 hydrogen, right? Plus is there. Plus means what? Loss of 1 electron. So minus 1 is equal to 6. That's why it is negative deviation, Aravind. Example for negative deviation. negative deviation, right? And coming to BF3, already we did it. BF3 boron third group, 3 fluorine atoms, 6. It is also negative deviation. And Chaitanya told answer, which is accepting group number. Okay, very good. Very good, Chaitanya, right? What she told, what she sent message is here group number 3, 4 hydrogen atom, 1 electron added, totally 8. So that is accepting octet rule. Accepting octet rule. Next, one more you write. Okay, you are good. Responding good. CH3 plus CH3 minus. Species which accepts octet rule dash CH3 plus CH3 minus, both, none we can take, both and none. Respond fastly. Tanishka, how Tanishka, both? Send message. Tanishka sent answer both. Yeah, doctors, no, doctors are next to God. You are going to become next to gods. You are living gods on earth. That's why be careful. See, instead of giving paracetamol, if you give some another tablet, that will go wrong, right? You people, how much importance is there for you in this pandemic situation? You imagine once. So that's why definitely doctors are living gods on earth. So do work, students. So definitely we will support. We can show the way as many techniques I teach from my side. So you put into practice like this. Many techniques are there to find answer, to get answer quickly in most of the chapters. So I will teach you all those, but don't commit mistake while sending answer. Once you think and send, okay now. So it's good, students. You are sending, you are responding fastly. So it is very good. And one thing you remember, you are going to become living gods on earth. That much importance is there for doctors on earth. So do hard work. Definitely you will become successful person in NEET. You target aims, and if you do adequate hard work, definitely you can get seat in AIMS because the toughest medical course in India. So from AIMS, right? So that's why you better to practice well. Okay, I am going to read your messages. Oh, Tanishka sent CH3 minus, right? Tanishka. Still anybody? Aravind respond. Monica respond. Tanishka, right, Amma. Your answer is correct. Okay. Okay, Tanishka, no problem. But don't give a different tablet instead of giving a particular tablet, right? Because you are doctor. Okay, now. Right. Tanishka, okay, right, Amma, right? Okay. Okay, good, Tanishka. Aravind also sent, right? Aravind, you are right. Still Monica send answer. Shiva Teja is also there and online. Two Monikas. Okay, I will tell. See, CH3 plus same technique you apply to this. CH3 plus carbon, fourth group, 3 hydrogen, plus means loss of electron. 6. Example for negative deviation. CH3 minus, fourth group plus 3. Minus electron means, minus charge means 1 electron added. So 8. So it can accept the octet rule. Now, I'm going to test your knowledge now. Think carefully and try to respond. Okay? Right. Carbon monoxide dash obeys octet rule. Now only two options I am giving. Does not obey octet rule. Only two options I gave here. Immediately don't tell. You take time. 1-2 minutes you think over that. And one more thing, you think about that Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. By that only you will be able to find answer for this, right? Carbon monoxide, whether it obeys obeying octet rule or not, whether it obeys octet or not. First, Tanishka, you sent 8. What is that? I think it is related to CH3 minus, right? Aravind, Monica, second option she sent. Does not obey. Yeah, technique is invalid, Monica. Technique not applied. You definitely depend on what octet, that Lewis dot structure. Technique applicable to carbon dioxide and all those. Your carbon monoxide specifically asked in entrance. You try that Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. Tanishka S. She told S. Why yes, Tanishka? Chaitanya, Monica told no. You are telling yes. How can you justify your answer? It has a S. Or why, how you can justify your answer, Monica? Why it has no? That also important. Whether it is correct, how? Whether it is not correct, how? Like this, you have to think subject, right? So inside thinking, this time that paper, you see, for understanding concept only more priority given to the question based on understanding concept, the question paper. Actually easy, but time taking. I think you might have got bars less because of lagging of time, right? So all papers mostly except in the physics, biology and chemistry easy, even no tough problem in chemistry. I think this time also it will be like that due to pandemic situation. That's why each and every point we can concentrate. If there is any logic behind that, that also I will teach you. Don't worry. Okay. One thing is daily you put into practice. Like doctor. Doctor also requires practicing. Same thing here also, right? Right. Who Aravind told does not obey. How Aravind? Chaitanya second means does not obey. How? How can you say Chaitanya? It is not accepting octet rule. Can you draw? Did you draw that what Lewis dot structure? Here carbon. This is the formula, structural formula. Actually, it is back bond or dative bond. Based on that, you try to tell. Based on that, you try to tell. How can you write it? Here, carbon valence electrons. How many? 4 we can take. Oxygen valence electrons taken as 6. Because group number of carbon is 4. Group number of carbon is 6. Only 6 electrons are used to triple bond out of 10 electrons. CO. Okay, right? Still, now accepting up, I will give the structure. You think, Arvind, okay, what you have sent is correct. Carbon 4 valence electrons, I am writing like this. Oxygen 6 valence electrons, I am writing like this. But what did I say? Oxygen is giving pair of electrons to it. That's why carbon, and these are oxygen electrons, Still 4 electrons are there. These I am writing like this, right? That is Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. Lewis dot structure of carbon monoxide. Now, can you tell that whether it is accepting or not? Accepting or not? Don't follow technique to this. You better to follow and think. Tomorrow, once again, we discuss about that. Up to take that, you take the time. You take the time. Now, one more, right? Finally, in solid state of PCl5, two ions are present. They are dash and dash, A and B, which obeys octet rule. A, B, A and B, none. Quickly respond. So that is the question given to you, Arvind, Chaitanya, Vaishnavi, Tanishka. It is the question given to you, students. I am reading the question. In solid state of PCl5, in solid state of PCl5, two ions are present. They are A and B. Two ions are A and B. Which of these two ions? Which of these two ions obey octet rule? A or B, A and B, none. Simply you should not say A or B, A and B, none. Just now, Aravind and Tanishka and Chaitanya, Maunika, they have sent explanations also in the form of what message. So if you get answer, if I tell answer, you can immediately find out answer because that ions present in that solid state of PCl5 required. In chemical bonding, hybridization many times given based on that, right? Hybridization many times given based on that, so that you try to follow. Answer? Oh, good, Chaitanya, Aravind, very good, nice. Chaitanya, is it accepting? Oh, nice, very good, students. Very nice. 2 PCl5, PCl4 plus, PCl6 minus. These are the ions in solid state. One more also, the type of question is given in case of nitrogen pentoxide, right? There is a method solid state of N2O5 contains NO2 plus and NO3 minus. That's why in the solid state it is called as nitronium nitrate. Nitronium nitrate. Solid state of N2O5. Chaitanya, Aravind, Tanishka, Vaishnavi, Monica. Till now, how can you find phosphorus fifth group? 5 plus 4 minus 1, right? Here 5 plus 6 plus 1. Here, how much it is? 12. Here, how much? 8. Now, you got answer? Can anybody tell hybrid? Chaitanya, right, you are right. Tanishka, what did you send? I am unable to read your message. Once again, you send. Monica. Oh, now, can anybody tell hybridization of PCl4 plus, PCl6 minus, NO2 plus, NO3 minus? Firstly, here hybridization. Respond fastly within 2 minutes. We have to finish that. PCl4 plus, PCl6 minus, NO2 plus, NO3 minus. Arvind, not the geometry, Arvind, only hybridization, not shape. Hybridization, sir. Rajesh, shall I tell? Here also group number. See, group number 5 plus 4 minus 1 by 2 you take. The pairs we can get. Here also 5 plus 6 plus 1 by 2, 6. Here 4. Here what is done now? Nitrogen fifth group, oxygen 0 you put. Oxygen means in the technique not required. Only monovalent atoms. Right? Monovalent atoms we are taking. In the technique it is, not in the explanation. Because in the entrance, we have to get answer quickly. That's why some techniques. Oxygen means put 0. Here plus means minus 1 by 2. Here 2. Here also same. Nitrogen fifth group 0 plus 1 by 2. Here 3. 3 orbitals required. sp2, 2 orbitals. sp, 4 orbitals. sp3. If the shape is correct, Arvind, I ask hybridization. Here sp3d2. sp3d2. sp, right, good. Chaitanya, good. Arvind, good. Those are not known, you follow this. Group number plus monovalent atoms. 5, group number 5 plus 4. Positive sign means loss of, means minus of 1 by 2. Negative means plus 1 by 2. Oxygen means put 0. Not only in this, here I am giving some more examples. With that I conclude. See here once. Find XeO3, XeO4, XeO2F2, XeOF4. Find hybridization. The technique follow. Fastly right. Same technique. Arvind, right. So some of you are sending explanation also. So a good student. This is the 25th academic year I am teaching. Up to last year, I did at Narayana Madhapur. Fastly listen. Very good. Who is this? Tanishka, first one sp3. She told. Here, 8th group. It is 8. 8 plus 0 by 2. Here also same now. 8 plus 0 by 2. Here 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2. 5. Here 8 plus 0 plus 4 plus by 2. Here 6. Here 4. Here 4. sp3. Here sp3d. Here sp3d2. Finally, last question. With this, I am going to stop, students. Hybridization in NaCl. Quickly. It shows your thinking power in chemistry. Hybridization in NaCl. Fast. Chaitanya, for these, you told correctly. Aravind, Tanishka, think once. Tanishka, you have to think. Still anybody? I don't tell your answer to anybody. Only simply even I don't tell whether it is correct or not. Because if you know small thinking regarding that, you can know the answer, right? Still anybody? Sri Krutika send, Aravind send, Tanishka send, and Chaitanya send. Oh, Chaitanya, you are right. Then what? Then what? Something you send message? No, Chaitanya. Then what? When I don't read your message, I will tell. Then what? Something you send message. Tanishka. Okay. Still anybody? Aravind, Krutika, na? Krutika. Okay. Siri Krutika. Siri I will call, okay, na? Or Krutika, both. Siri Krutika. Okay. Ah. Right, Krutika? Right. Here, no hybridization. Why no hybridization? Because it is ionic. Hybridization is observed only in covalent compounds. Hybridization is observed only in covalent compounds, right? Okay, this is one concept. Today, you decide. Decide means whether CO is accepting octet rule or not. So I gave that Lewis dot structure also. Tomorrow, when we come to the class, first question that only, whether it is accepting or not. Right? Okay, students. So thank you. Okay, tomorrow.